What's up, you guys? Welcome back. I'm Maddie, and today we're going to be doing an LWM, Learn with Maddie. So, today we're going to be learning about DNA, another three-letter word. I can totally speak.
Are you sure about that?
Ooh, I'm making tea, and my tea is about ready, so I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab it. Alright guys, I'm back. I have my tea. It is, oh my god, that's really hot. Okay, not going to touch that right now. Just going to let that sit over there. So, first off, let's get down and dirty about the history of DNA. So, first you may ask, do you know what DNA stands for? Let's look it up. Just kidding! I know what it means! So, DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. What a mouthful, huh? So I can see why they shorten it to DNA. Thank you, that is so helpful on my tiny little brain. Thank you. So the difference between DNA and the double helix is the double helix is like two strands of DNA put together to create the double helix in the shape, in the 3D shape. It was discovered, and I use quotation marks or hands, whatever they're called, like, because you'll find out why. So it was discovered by James Watson, not John Watson from Sherlock, the TV show that's really good and you should go watch it.
Bruh.
And by Francis Crick. So now I'm getting into why I use the quotes. So a big part of their discovery was stolen by Rosalind Franklin. So women in the mid 19th or 20th century, if they were scientists, they weren't considered real scientists. Their work was always not considered good enough, or they weren't considered real scientists. So since Rosalind Franklin was kind of working, or was supposed to work or something, with Watson and Crick, they never really wanted to work with each other. And Rosalind actually had this important part that actually led to the discovery of DNA, or the double helix. So, they actually stole the data from Rosalind Franklin and said it was their own.
Come on!
Funnily enough, I actually have here with me a model of the double helix that I created myself. Da 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 da! Well, let me just put it back together really quick.
One eternity later.
Okay, so this is my model. It's a little sketchy because it's supposed to wrap around this Lego block, but it ain't that fancy. So, and it fell over again. So I use different colors to represent different things. And this can be kind of an inaccuracy because we don't actually know what colors each of these things that I represent as something, if that makes any sense. And also we don't know the actual shape of them because DNA is actually so small, and that is another inaccuracy, that this is not to scale. So as you can see, there are on the sides of here, there's different colors. There's white and red. I've used red to represent sugar and white to represent phosphate. Connected to these sides are base pairs. So there's two base pairs, but they're always together. The beauty of DNA is that it comes in different order, and these two can be flipped this way like this, or vice versa, and that's what creates DNA and what makes them so unique, and none of them the same. The yellow is cytosine, and the purple is guanine. The blue represents adenine, and then the green represents thymine. So this model, it allows us, since DNA is so small, it's very hard to study it unless you make a bigger model. Even though it is not to scale or not exactly correct, you can still learn a lot from it. So although my amazing and beautifully designed model is beautiful, it is not very accurate. So another really important thing that came out of the discovery of DNA is it actually helped us understand inheritance more, because you get half of your genes from your one parent and then half of your genes from the other parent. And then come together, they create you.
Yep, that's me.
And that's pretty amazing that each human being is unique in their DNA and like their genes, and that's why we all look different. Boom! Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed watching the video because I enjoyed making it, and this was an LWM, Learn with Maddie. So see y'all next time for another episode. Bye.